I really thought this wig was gonna be so ugly, y'all. This is freaking cute. Hey Queendom crew, welcome back to the Queendom, my YouTube channel. It's your girl Nene, and today I'm giving you guys another bomb wig review. It is not on this popping unit that I'm wearing right now, but if you guys want to see more on this unit, I will put the card above, and I will also put the tag at the end of the video, and I will put it in the description below so you guys can check her after you check out this video. So guys, today I'm giving you a okay. So today I'm giving you guys a review by It's a Wig, and it is the style ZIA in the color yellow. I know y'all like, girl, is you gonna try every color in the rainbow? Yes ma'am, I am. So guys, I don't know what this is gonna look like. Hopefully I don't come out looking like Ronald McDonald's sister, mama's cousin. So we're just gonna give it a try. Y'all know I'm down for anything, okay? So make sure you guys what was I about to say? Oh girl, I be so, like, I'm literally really tired right now. But anyways, so guys, before we get started, I want to show you guys my cute Afro pin earrings. These are from my store, and when you guys shop from me, you are supporting my channel. So make sure you guys check my store and check out my jewelry and wig sales. The link is always in the comment and the description box. Alright, let's go ahead and do this. So I'm going to unbox it and just talk to y'all a little bit. So yeah, like I said, I don't know how this wig is going to turn out, because it's yellow, 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 yellow. Like, yellow, 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 yellow. So, here is the wig, guys. I was hoping it would give me Cardi B Invasion of Privacy vibes, but I really don't know, because this is like a pixie cut, and in hers, it was more of a curl. So, there are 2 combs on the side of this wig. Y'all better not laugh at me. This is ugly, okay? I'll always take one for the team. And there's no combs in the back of the wig, okay? Just adjustable straps, and it has a nude cap, as you can see. So it does have a parting space. Oh God. All right, let's just, oh Jesus. I said my prayers before I did this. I said my prayers, anointed myself. So let me get yellow. I'm real life. Oh, this don't look that bad. Ah, this don't even look that bad. Okay, I hope this, okay. Cause you know how you be looking at something and you be like, it don't look that bad. And then how I be showing my man, and then he be like, are you serious? Y'all, he's not here right now for me to get his opinion. I wish he was, but maybe he'll be back in time to get the opinion. So it's like a pixie cut. Okay. Y'all, this is not even that bad. Like, I am really pleasantly surprised. Like, seriously. Okay, y'all. Okay, I feel like it's cute, but I don't have Dom here to tell me if it's cute or not right now. So I'm gonna need y'all to put it in the comments. Like, this is cute though. Like, I feel like this is really cute. I need some earrings. I don't know if I can wear my pink earrings with this though, cause I might need some other type of earrings. They kind of go. They kind of go. I need my other earrings though. I don't think I got them up here. But sis, okay, this turned out kind of cute. Now, I'm not finna even touch this parting. I'm not even finna do it. I'm not even finna do it. I'm just so happy it's not giving me, look, I got a little bit of waves. Like, what? Just so happy it's not giving me Ronald McDonald vibes. All right, y'all. Let me find out if she could pull off yellow. This is so cute. I kind of want to go back and get the orange. They had a green, but so I was just like, I ain't gonna push it. Y'all, this is really freaking cute. It's like the way they got it shaped. It's cute. Okay. I like it. Let me turn around for y'all. Give you the full effect. I like this. Like, I would wear this in public and not be embarrassed. Like, I feel classy. Like, this is like color with style. So here's the parting space. I'm not finna touch that party because it need to be plugged, and I'm not gonna do that. But y'all, this was not a fail. I need y'all to let me know though, because my boo ain't home, so he can't tell me right now. Girl, tell me if this is cute or not. Like, I like this. So this is the tag. Okay, I was gonna get that orange, but I was just like, I don't know. So it's supposed to be a real hairline part, already tweezed. Girl, where? This ain't tweezed. I don't feel like this is tweezed. So no. Deep and wide, I guess, but it needs some work. So it comes in all types of colors, you guys, but let me know what you think. I feel like I feel like this is cute. Like, I would so wear this. So yeah. Let me see, y'all. This is so freaking cute. So I didn't, because I said freaking. So y'all, let me know what you think about ZIA. I love it. I think it's so cute. So I'm not gonna hold you guys. I'm about to do another wig review for y'all because I gotta bust these things out here. Okay, so let me know what you guys think. Definitely comment below. I want to talk to y'all. I want to hear from y'all. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Give me the tea. Okay, love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.